Hi, this is AkiQ again, and it's just a quick video here. I'm spray painting one of my 80 gig SSDs. It's an Intel one, so it's a bit old, and I don't like the aluminum finish. Well, the bare aluminum look anyway. So I painted on some primer, and now I'm using some blue motorcycle paint, which I can't remember which type of motorcycle it's for. Maybe a Suzuki or something. And as you can see, I'm putting several layers on it, twisting it around, and it doesn't look like it, but basically I've let it dry about 10 minutes and then applied a new layer. So about like every 10-15 minutes I applied a new layer, and you can see me test fitting it out, and there is a black bracket that came in my SSD. So you know, I didn't find any small screws yet for it, so I was just testing it out to see how it looked, see if the color matched the logo, which it more or less did, and turned out pretty nice. So later in the video, you'll see that I've changed out the bracket. I took off the bracket and painted some small screws and screwed them in. So it looks pretty nice, especially the blue screws on the silver top with the blue Intel logo. And I think it came out quite nicely. So anyway, it's just another quick video. This is AkiQ signing off.